And there, that's the drop chicken, ready to go. Right there, sparkling, seasoned very well. You can see it's all about the ambience, it's all about the carnival. The fire truck is here as well. I'm not sure what's going on. The London fire truck, and right there is Forest Terrace. It's all happening. The smell, the ambience. Once again, this is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Notting Hill Carnival 2023. It's all happening right here. And that's the jack chicken there, you see, beautiful, smelling very nice. And I'm not too sure you can see the fire brigade. And we're right at Police Terrace, W11, Notting Hill Carnival 2023.